Sony India is planning to announce the PS5 launch for January 2021. The company stands on a possible January 2021 release date has been to tell us to stay tuned to its social media channels for a potential announcement. Sony's own franchise stores tell that they can expect pre-orders to go live before the end of December with the console launching mid-January. Reading from the Mako Reactor, according to the store managers, Sony India has told them that these plans will be revealed officially soon. What's more is, if you were planning to buy the PS5 offline, you may be out of luck depending on your location. Every Sony centers have claimed that supply will be limited to metro cities first, with other areas getting it about 2 weeks later. This was the case with the both PS3 and PS4 as well, suggesting that the PS5 will be in limited quantities when it's eventually available at launch. In addition to this, the PS5 digital edition will be harder to find in part due to global supply constraints as well as anticipated lower demand at launch, we were told. It will be interesting to see when India gets a PS5 restock and if it will be available nationwide. If you go by Sony's track record with the PS4 and PS4 Pro, along with the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, don't expect routine restocks. What this means is, if you want a PS5 officially with warranty, it would be wise to pre-order the moment you can. That said, if the company is able to handle demand like it did with Ghost of Tsushima, which was restocked within a week of launch, you may not have to rush. Now, Sony centers have a spotty track record. In the past, they claimed that pre-orders for the PS5 would begin in November, which never happened. However, with Sony India employees undergoing PS5 training and plans to change its current PS5 messaging from late 2020, it seems that we may not have to wait too long for the actual PS5 release date. For what it's worth, the PS5 Indian price is Rs 49,990 and the PS5 digital edition is Rs 39,990. Sony also confirmed that PS5 games will cost about Rs 3,999 upwards. It remains to be seen whether these prices will remain stable once the initial lot is sold out. However, the good news regarding PS5 is that Sony takes 35 working days for a product to clear BIS certificates. Those familiar with Sony's plans tells us a release date should happen anytime soon. For reference, the PS4 launched in January 2014 but was unavailable officially for 4 months after launch to comply with BIS regulation. It was submitted on April 28, 2014 and restocks finally hit the shelves around the release date of the first Watch Dogs on May 27, 2014. Alright guys, thanks for watching and do give a like.